how to connect Google Play Games to Subway Surf Game. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video, I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that, we will simply go to Subway Surf Game. Once we click here, you guys will wait for some seconds. Once the loading complete, I will tell you what to do with the next step. So let's wait for some seconds. Now here you guys will see on top right phone setting option. Simply click on the setting option like icon. Once we click here you guys will see Facebook Play Games. You guys will simply click on Play Games with Connect option, so it's ability can connect. Once I click on Connect, I will wait for some seconds. And once I wait, my Google Plays will be automatically connected. Because in each Android phone, they've automatically will play games app cell. And if you don't have that option like this, join connect automatically, you guys can simply go to Play Store and search for Google Play Games, and you guys will download it. And once you download it, you guys can continue with Google account. And once you do that, all options, that's it. You guys can come again to Subway Surf and click on Connect. That's it. Your Google Play Games will be connected to Subway Surf Game. Thanks for watching.